Okay, right here we have a one-line song made of solfa notations and drag beats, right? And the key here is E and the tempo is largo and it's a 4/4 song. So I want you to know that we are making use of the largo tempo because this is a beginner class, and when you are beginning, you have to take things slow, right? There are songs that can come in faster tempos, okay, like allegro and upwards and so on. So for the meantime, we got to stick to largo so as we take things slow for a better understanding, right? So let's head over to the keyboard right now and confirm our key, since it's the first thing we need to do. Okay, we are on the keyboard and the key there is E, and we have here C, D, E, right? So we're just going to tap on the button. Do, do. So let's head over to the metronome to know our tempo, okay, the pace at which we have to sing the song. Okay, we are on the metronome and the tempo here is largo, just as it is on the song, right? And we are going to hit the start button to know the pace at which we have to sing the song. Okay, now we know how fast or how slow the song should be. So let's head over to the song now and try singing it. Remember your key and then this tempo. And so we use it to sing the song, right? So let's head over to the song now and try singing it. Okay, we are back to the song and the key we had was do. And we have the first note of the song as do. So let's sing the song at the pace or with the tempo that we have right here, which is largo. Do, mi, do, la, do, re, do, ti, do. Again. Do, mi, do, la, do, re, do, ti, do. Okay, if you observe very well, you will notice that we made a little break here to draw breath and continue the song to the end. Not because we have a silent beat, but you can do that to steal breath at the middle of a song where you do not have a rest beat, right? You can always take a sharp rest, maybe before you end a particular beat. Take a sharp breath and continue the song, okay? If you do not have rest beats or, like empty spaces where you get to sing nothing, you have to steal a breath at the end of a specific note or at the end of a specific drag so as you can continue, all right? So I had to make it this way so as you can also learn about stealing breath at the course of singing. You might not have a silent beat, but you will have to take a breath at some point so as you can sustain or keep on singing to the end of the song, right? So I hope you know that all these are full beats, okay? Because they are drag does not mean they are kind of half or something. They are all full beats, which means that if you have a drag beat in front of a specific note, you are to sing that specific note behind the drag through the drag. Just as we have the do here, you have to sing the do through this drag beat before you get to me. So do, mi, do, la, do, re, do, ti, do. You understand? So every beat you see, these separations right here indicates that that is where a specific beat ends. And so you will sing all the beats complete through the guide of your tempo, right? Make sure you stay in context of the beat so as you don't drag too much or you don't make a short of the drag. Otherwise, others who are harmonizing with you might go farther than you, or you might go too far than them, right? So we want to keep everything intact with the time, pace, and also everything that has to do with the music. So thank you for watching this video and keep yourself glued to the channel. because we got more interpretations coming and you don't want to miss out on any of them. So long as you're in the choir, you need this as a beginner. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.